the activity for the day today, and that is drawing. And the topic that we will be doing today is sweet.
So today in drawing, our topic is sweet, and the date that we will write is 11/12/2020, that is 11th December 2020. So let's start. What do we draw? Let's draw a chocolate. Chocolate is a sweet, right? So this is how you will draw a chocolate. First make an oval shape. You can draw an oval shape. If you're not able to draw this, you can just draw a circle. And then here, like this. The chocolate wrapper. Okay. This is the side twist of the chocolate wrapper. Here what you can write the name of a chocolate, like I'm writing eclairs. Okay, now let's color our chocolate. In the same way, you can color the chocolate using any color of your choice. You can just write a name of your favorite chocolate. I know that you all love chocolates, so everyone might have a favorite chocolate of your own. So you can write the name of the chocolate here and color it accordingly. So this is the topic for drawing for this month, and it is sweet. Thank you, children.